My sister has gotten pretty good at twisting her hair. I want you guys to check out how she twists her hair in the quickest way possible with using my L products. Check
I'm
this
about to
out.
do my hair.
What products are you going to use?
So I like to mix this product. It's a leave-in.
Oh, yeah.
And I like to mix it with this.
Styling gel. Oh, cool. You cocktail it in your hand first, and then I watch you.
Yeah. Here, I'll show you.
4 braids for your whole head? That's a lot. I mean, not enough to me. But you said you like baby, so.
Yeah, I like it big and wavy. So I mix it in my hand. I put both products in my hand. I mix it up. Put it in my hair.
You're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I'm trying.
About how long does it take you to do your whole head if it's like 4 braids?
Not long, maybe 30 minutes, if that, 15. Sometimes I like to, for my ends, I like to put a little bit more product on the very tips.
2 favorite styling products?
Mm-hmm. So once I get to the end, I grab one of these
Okay, cool.
and roll it around.
Real quick, what are your top 3 favorite products?
This is my top 2
Okay.
for styling. This right here to tame those edges.
Really?
Definitely. And you know what's funny is that I can't normally use wax-based products because it creates a nasty dandruff in my head.
Really?
But for some reason, this one doesn't. And I'm not sure why.
That honey and ginger.
Maybe so. It doesn't.
You want to see my some of my favorites?
Yeah.
Right now my favorites switch up like but right now my top 3 I like the moisturizing milk for styling. So when you get a chance, try mixing this one with your styling gel and see what you think. I love this. And the gel is amazing. Have you tried this yet?
What is it? The clay mask?
Yeah. And
I was actually gonna put a mask on.
are we not gonna address that cough?
I need water.
You need a test.
I need water.
This is a detox for your hair, but it sounds like you need one for your body. But yeah, you can detox your hair with it, and you don't like right now. If you don't have a lot of product buildup, you can use this instead of a shampoo and conditioner. You can just do this to your hair alone to cleanse it. And then my all-time favorite is the rosemary oil.
In that box you gave me, it dropped and I didn't use it.
What? It broke?
Yeah.
Did you sop it up off the floor? And
Sop it up.
yes. This is the good stuff. It's concentrated. I'm never buying you another oil again. Do they have any you can get it at like Walgreens, Sally's. You're not near any of those. You're just gonna have to get it online. I should have one. They just had a sale. But that's my favorite oil. You definitely need to put some.
I started using it and then it just dropped one day. like 2 days after I started using it, it dropped.
How high were you? Because this thing is harder than a new iPhone. Like it's hard to break the bottle.
It was probably about 5 feet up.
Wow. All right. So let's see how you go ahead and finish your hair.
Okay.
Morning, good morning. How you feeling?
Good.
Good.
About
So,
to take my hair down.
all right, let's check it out and see how it turned out. So this was the 4 braids, right?
Yeah. See.
Oh wow. Okay. That's actually not bad because it's not super hard since it's just 4 braids. That's not too bad.
Mm-hmm. And then I just use some oil to kind of break it up and take it down.
That looks really good. So you put the oil on before you rub it through the braid before you take it down. How long
Yeah.
does this style last you for?
Like I could put it in a pineapple at night and it'll last me a few days, and I just like to wear it down. It might last a couple days, and then I just do little updos with the crinkle look towards the end of the week.
Can I ask you something?
What?
Does Edgar like it?
Edgar actually does like it.
Okay.
And I just take it right on the edge.
And it gives it that polished look.
Yeah.
All right, bristles. Those are hard bristles. That looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, Tati.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right.
And actually, like through Zoom, I don't really have to do too much, but normally, like you can kind of see where I parted my braids.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I would normally take a pick and just pick right in between the part.
I'm just so proud of you because when we were little, like you couldn't even cook toast, and now you're just a whole hairstyle.
Oh, yeah.
Good. And it was
Thanks.
quick. So it took like what, 30 minutes to put the twist. How do you stretch your hair out? What do you use to do that?
Oh, that's just from doing it before.
Oh, okay.
So I did it before. And then just well, I actually didn't do this before. I just had it braided in one braid all week, and then just combing and braiding it, it just stretches all that out.
So would you shampoo it after a couple days, or are you just gonna do the same twist with the product again?
I could do this for like, I did it on Saturday a couple weeks ago, and then I did it again, but now it's time for a wash. So after this, it's gonna be time for me to
Right.
shampoo. So I go like 2 weeks without me
Really?
shampooing my hair. Yeah.
Oh wow. All right, cool. I just wanted to check in with you and see how you did. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Let's see the back real quick. It looks pretty good.
Without it being picked out, because I can't really see.
Does it have to be dry for you to do this style?
No, it doesn't have to be. I could do it right out when I get out of the shower, but the only problem is my hair, it takes longer to dry. So it might not be dry in the morning if I do it wet.
Right. Yeah.
And it has to completely dry before you take it down.
Right. Ooh. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna try this with my hair, and then we'll do another Zoom, and I'll show you how it works with my hair. All right. Thanks, Tachi. Peace.
All right.